If you are looking for an easy and healthy snack bar, then you click on the right video. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this high energy protein bar to keep you energetic and less hungry throughout the day, which makes them suitable for weight loss management. For this recipe, I will be using oatmeal. I'm going to bake my oatmeal for about 2 minutes to make it crunchy. Make sure to stir continuously so it doesn't get burnt. Then I will set it apart to cool down. Then I will bake my sunflower seeds about 2 minutes to make them crunchy as well. Make sure to stir so it doesn't get burnt. I will set them apart to cool down. I will go ahead and bake my pumpkin seeds for about 2 minutes. This is going to make them crunchy and crispy, after which I will set them apart to cool down. Same goes with my flax seeds. I will bake them for 1 minute, then remove them from heat and allow them to cool down. Next is my sesame seeds. Put an eye on them closely so they don't get burnt. Make sure to stir them constantly. I will bake for about 1 minute and set them aside to cool down. I'm also going to bake my almond seeds for about 2 minutes. This is going to make them crunchy and crispy as well, after which I will set them aside to cool down. Now that my almond nuts have cooled down, I will put them in a mini blender and crush them. I will then go ahead and add my raisins and dates into the mini blender and blend. But before I blend, I will cut the dates into small sizes. This will enable them to grind easily. I will put my raisin and date pasta into a big bowl. Then I will add some cooking salt to taste, cinnamon powder, and also pinda butter paste. Then I will add all my dry ingredients into the bowl and give it a thorough mix. I will be using my hands to mix it because it's easy for me, but you can use any other method that is suitable for you. When all my ingredients are nicely mixed, I will add honey and mix again. Now that everything is perfectly mixed, I will go ahead and spread a baking paper over my baking pan. Then I will spread my mixture over it. Making sure I spread it evenly. When everything is perfectly spread out, just as you can see, I will cover with a sheet of baking paper and then store into the refrigerator for 2 hours. After 2 hours, my protein bars are ready to eat. I will go ahead and cut them into my desirable sizes. Why not give this recipe a try? And please, if you do try it, come back and drop me a comment. So that was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.